When you power on your computer and see this option, that reboot the system, just press enter. You will see here, please install an operating system on your hard disk. F2 for system diagnostic. Don't press on F2, press on F10. You will see this portion here. Just using your arrow button, go to the just before the exit system configuration. Use your arrow to go boot options. Again use your arrow button to go to the legacy support. Here you see your legacy support is disabled. On there you can see some options. Use enter or F5 or F6 to enable the legacy support. Use enter or F5 or F6. I am pressing F5. Then use the yes, enter and yes. Your legacy support is enabled. Now press on F10. Press yes with enter button. It is okay and your computer will open and your problem is solved without installing an operating system. My computer is opening, as it is a very old computer, so it is taking time to open. Okay, thank you.